Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Upper Deck SPX box break number 2. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. Serial number of the box is NE163237-367. So let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. Try and get through this as fast as I can. A lot of base cards. So we'll do the bonus pack last. Here we go. Pack 1. So you have base, decoy, base, and base. Pack 2. Base, decoy, base, and base. Pack 3. Base and base. We have a dual jersey for the Sabres of Drew Stafford and Tyler Ennis. Base and base. Pack 4. Base. The rookie for the Flames of Lance Boma. Number 107 out of 499. Decoy. Base and base. Pack 5. Base, decoy, base, and base. Pack 6. Base, decoy, base, and base. Pack number 7. Base, decoy, base, and base. Pack 8. Base, decoy, base, and base. Pack 9. Base, decoy, base, and base. Next row, pack 10. Base, and base, decoy, base, and base. Pack 11. And base, decoy, base, and base. Pack 12. Base, and base, decoy, base, and base. Pack 13. Base. We have a finite rookie for the Predators of Jonathan Blum. Number 82 out of 499. Decoy, and base. Pack 14. Base and base. Decoy, base and base. Pack 15. Base and base. We have a winning materials dual jersey card for the Bruins of Cam Neely. Base and base. Pack 16. Base. A beautiful hit for the Islanders. It's a dual jersey and auto card of John Tavares, number 13 out of 15. Nice hit for the Islanders. Base and base. Pack 17. Base and base. Nice hit for the Devils. It's an autographed rookie jersey card of Adam Henrique, number 694 out of 799. Nice hit for the Devils. Yeah, base and base. Pack 18. Yeah, base and base. And we have a jersey card, a rookie jersey card for the Montreal Canadiens of Alexei Emelin, number 329 out of 799. Base and base. And for the bonus pack, finish it off. We have base, 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 and base. And we have a nice hit for the Kings. Short print Ice Premier's card, 690 out of 999 of Slava Voinov. So a nice way to finish it off. 690 out of 999 Slava Voinov. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.